In this tutorial, we will be showing you how to thread the Brother XL2375 sewing machine. In our previous tutorials, we showed you how to thread the bobbin. And so we put thread on the bobbin, as well as we showed you how to complete the upper threading of the machine. So now we're going to work on the lower threading so that you can create your perfect stitch. The first thing you need to do is take your bobbin that's threaded and place it here, and then you're going to take off the storage bin of your machine. Okay, so I took that off. If you open up this piece, you will see this is where the bobbin case is held. Open the lever of the bobbin case holder. All right, and so let's look at this. There's like, I call this the little door that opens it, and then there's like this long piece here, and then on the back is where you insert the bobbin. So I have this in one hand and my thread in the other. So my thread should be rolling off the top or to the right. And so I'm going to insert it with the thread on the right, like that. And then if you look right here, there's like a little slit that goes up to like this piece. So there's the slit there. Oh, the slit's right there. And then it goes up into this little piece right there. So I take my thread and I'm going to put it through the slit, pull it until it's in there. Okay, let me do it again. For my people that need a little extra help, or they need to see it twice before they get it. So here's the bobbin. You want to make sure that the thread is coming off the right. You put it in the bobbin holder. And then there's a slit right there. And you take your thread, you put it through the slit, and you're going to pull it to like the left until it clicks. You hear it click? Yeah. The thread is actually attached to the bobbin, and it should be coming off. Let me see if I get it. There you go. It should be coming like that. And so that's how you know that you did it right. Thread still coming off the right. The next thing I'm going to do is insert this. So I take my inserted bobbin. I'm going to hold the door, and I'm going to make sure that this little piece that's sticking out is connected to that little thing right there. So it's in there, and then I close the door. Bam. You take your thread, you hold it with your left hand, and then you're going to grab the hand wheel there. So you grab the hand wheel and you move it towards you to make the needle go down. You still have this in your hand and you got a pretty firm grip on it. And you pull it down and then you pull it back up one time, and then you shake. Let me take the presser foot off so you can see it better. So then you shake it, and you see the loop is coming up. That's the thread from the bottom, or the bobbin, and you just grab it. And so now if you look here, you'll see that I have a thread coming up through the machine as well as the sewing thread. Okay, so that is all you have to do. You do not have to take the presser foot off to do this. I just did it so that you could see it better, but you do not have to do that. You should never do that. I just did it so you could see it. You can still see that I have two different threads. I'm going to put both of them through the toes of the presser foot and make sure they go back. Last but not least, close the bobbin case lever thing, and then put your storage case back on. And now you are ready to start sewing. So I have taught you everything that you need to get started with this Brother LX2375 machine. Please subscribe to our channel. as well as leave us some feedback, comments, or future tutorial ideas.